Ready to launch your financial future? Today, we're breaking down how USAA members can start investing in stocks, even if you're a complete beginner, in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need a brokerage account. If you're a USAA member, you can easily open a USAA brokerage account online. This is where you'll buy and sell your stocks. Click on the investment tab and select open an account. Follow the prompts and provide the necessary information. Next, it's time to do some research before you buy any stock. Understand what the company does, its financial health, and its potential for growth. USAA provides research tools and resources to help you analyze different investment options. Explore companies you already know and understand. Then use USAA's resources to dig deeper. Start small. Especially when you're new to investing, consider investing a small amount of money that you're comfortable potentially losing. You can buy individual stocks or invest in a stock-based ETF, exchange-traded fund, which spreads your investment across multiple companies. Now, let's talk risk. Investing in stocks always involves risk. The value of your investments can go up or down. It's crucial to understand your own risk tolerance. USAA offers resources to help you assess your risk profile and make informed decisions. Finally, remember that investing is a long-term game. Don't panic. Sell during market downturns. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and let your investments grow over time. And remember, USAA's financial advisors are there to provide personalized guidance whenever you need it. Happy investing!